Finding the right barndominium builder and understanding real costs can feel overwhelming with so much confusing information online. Today I am giving you the complete honest truth about barndominium builders, floor plan costs, and what you will actually pay to build in 2025. No misleading numbers, just real information you can trust. Stay until the end because I am revealing which builders to consider and which red flags to avoid. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. After my last video where a viewer correctly pointed out that my floor plan did not match the exterior photos, I realized how important it is to give you accurate, verified information. So today, I have done careful research on actual builders, real floor plan prices, and honest complete build costs. Everything I am sharing today is based on verified 2025 data from established companies. We are covering three main topics. First, what floor plans actually cost from different sellers. Second, who the legitimate builders are and what they charge. And third, what a complete build really costs for start to finish. This is not about kit prices or theoretical numbers. This is about what you will actually spend to get a finished, move-in ready barndominium. Let's start with floor plans because this is where your project begins. Floor plan costs. Before you can get accurate building quotes, you need professional floor plans. Let me tell you exactly what these cost from verified sellers in 2025. Stock barndominium floor plans are pre-designed layouts you can purchase and use as is or with minor modifications. These are the most affordable option. Stock plans for a barndominium house cost $1,300 to $2,000 for most sellers. Some companies offer plans starting as low as $295 for very basic designs. But for a complete set with all the drawings you need, expect to pay in that $1,300 to $2,000 range. What do you get for this price? A complete stock plan includes the floor plan layout showing room dimensions and locations, electrical plan showing outlet and switch placements, exterior elevations showing what the home looks like from outside, and construction details for builders to follow. All plans come with a 100% free cost to build report where you enter your zip code and finish level to get estimates. Custom designed barndominium plans cost $4,500 to $6,000 or more if you are starting from scratch. For a 3,000 square foot custom barndominium, complete plans including floor plan, electrical plan, 2D elevations, and 3D exterior renderings cost $2,195 from some designers. The advantage of custom plans is they are designed specifically for your land, your needs, and your exact specifications. A smart compromise that saves money is buying a stock plan and paying to modify it. Most plan sellers offer free modification quotes. You can take a stock $1,500 plan and modify it for a few $100s rather than paying $5,000 for fully custom plans. This gives you a customized home at a fraction of the custom design cost. Major floor plan sellers include Advanced House Plans, which offers steel kits with their plans, BuildMax, which has 20+ years experience and connects you with builders, barnominiumfloorplans.com, which specializes in Barndo-specific designs, houseplans.com, which has a huge collection of barn-style homes, and Monster House Plans, which emphasizes affordability. Plans are available with single-use licenses for one-time builds or unlimited build licenses for professional builders planning multiple projects. Make sure you buy the right license type for your needs. The bottom line on floor plans is budget $1,300 to $2,000 for quality stock plans or $2,000 to $6,000 for custom designs. Do not skip professional plans to save money. Without proper plans, you cannot get accurate quotes, building permits, or construction loans. The plan cost is a tiny fraction of your total build cost and absolutely essential. Barndominium builders. Now let's talk about who actually builds barndominiums and what they charge. This is where things get confusing online, so I'm giving you verified information only. There are three main types of builders: kit suppliers who sell you the materials, regional builders who handle complete construction in specific areas, and national companies who work across multiple states. Let me break down each type with real names and real pricing. Kit suppliers include companies like Worldwide Steel Buildings and General Steel. Worldwide Steel supplies building kits in all 50 states, with prices starting around $10 per square foot and going up to about $30 per square foot, depending on options like second floors, wraparound porches, and other additions. Their standard steel frame kits include all main framing, secondary framing, exterior metal siding, metal roofing, trim, closures, fasteners, and stamped building plans. Remember, kit prices only cover the shell materials. You still need to pay for foundation, assembly labor, and all interior finishing. According to Home Guide, the average cost for barnominium kits ranges from $30 to $50 per square foot, including the shell and on-site assembly. For a 2,400 square foot barndominium, that is $72,000 to $120,000 just for the kit and assembly, with nothing inside finished. Regional full-service builders handle everything from foundation to completion. Hog Barndominiums is a full turnkey builder. For a 2,500 square foot barndominium, they recommend budgeting $625,000 with estimates ranging from $625,000 to $750,000 plus for complete turnkey. Boss Hog clients typically budget between $225 to $350 per finished square foot, depending on materials, design complexity, and interior finishes. They handle site prep, driveway installation, framing, and complete construction with everything done in-house. BuildMax is another national company that has been in home building over 20 years. BuildMax warns that barndominium costs can range from $90 to $200 per square foot, depending on what part of the country you live and how much sweat equity you put into the project, and cautions against anyone claiming you can build for $75 per square foot, as that is not possible these days. They offer floor plans, steel kits, builder connections, and financing partnerships all in one place. What does turnkey mean? Turnkey means completely finished and ready to move in. Recent national cost surveys place turnkey barndominium prices in the $65 to $160 per square foot range for basic builds, climbing to about $300 to $400 per square foot for luxury finishes. Construction timelines typically range from 6 to 12 months, which is 5% to 15% faster than conventional stick-built homes. Here is the honest reality about builder pricing. The cost to build a barndominium is $65 to $160 per square foot, or $130,000 to $320,000 on average for a 2,000 square foot home. According to data from Angie, the average cost to build a barndominium in 2025 is $230,000, with typical prices ranging from $112,800 to $504,000, depending on size, location, materials, labor, and type of build. Compare this to traditional homes. The cost to build a traditional stick-built house in 2025 ranges between $150 to $400 per square foot. The cost to build a barndominium in 2025 ranges anywhere from $60 to $160 per square foot. So in most situations, building a barndominium is in fact cheaper than building a traditional house. When talking to builders, make sure you understand what their quote includes. Does it include site preparation, foundation, the complete shell, interior finishing, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, cabinets, countertops, flooring, and all appliances? Or are they quoting just the shell assembly? Get everything itemized in writing. Red flags to watch for include builders who give quotes without seeing your land, prices that seem way too good to be true compared to market rates, builders with no verifiable completed projects, companies that pressure you to pay large deposits up front, and anyone who cannot provide references from past customers. Complete build cost breakdown. Now let's break down what you actually spend for a complete barndominium build from dirt to done. I'm using a 2,000 square foot example because that is a popular family size. Foundation costs for concrete slab are $6 to $14 per square foot according to Home Guide. For 2,000 square feet, that is $12,000 to $28,000. Most barndominiums use slab foundations, which are the most cost-effective option. The barndominium kit, which is your shell structure, is next. The cost to build the basic structure using metal barnominium kits is around $20 to $35 per square foot, which does not include customization or finishes. For 2,000 square feet, that is $40,000 to $70,000 for materials only. If you hire assembly, add another $10 to $15 per square foot. Contractors to assemble a barnominium kit typically cost between $25,000 to $50,000 on top of the kit cost. Some people save this by doing it themselves with help. Site preparation varies widely. Land clearing, grading, permits, and driveway installation can range from $10,000 to $40,000, depending on your property condition and local permit costs. Interior finishing is where most of your budget goes. According to Angie, interior finishing materials like drywall, flooring, and fixtures range from $25,400 to $100,700. For a 2,000 square foot home with decent mid-range finishes, expect to spend $50,000 to $100,000 on interiors. This includes drywall, paint, flooring, kitchen cabinets and countertops, bathroom fixtures and tile, interior doors and trim, lighting and electrical, plumbing and HVAC systems, and insulation. Let me add all of this up for a 2,000 square foot barndominium with mid-range finishes. Foundation $12,000 to $28,000. Kit materials $40,000 to $70,000. Assembly labor $25,000 to $50,000 or DIY to save this. Site prep $10,000 to $40,000. Interior finishing $50,000 to $100,000. Total realistic cost is $137,000 to $288,000 for this 2,000 square foot example. The most common range people actually spend is $160,000 to $240,000 for a complete mid-range barndominium. This works out to $65 to $160 per square foot on average, with the national average being $230,000 for a 2,000 square foot home. For luxury builds with high-end finishes, you can expect $300 to $400 per square foot, which would be $600,000 to $800,000 for that same 2,000 square foot home. The key variables that affect your cost are your location, because labor and materials vary significantly by region, finish quality, because basic versus luxury makes a huge difference, how much DIY work you do yourself, site conditions, because difficult land costs more to prepare, and customization, because complex designs cost more than simple rectangular plans. Avoiding confusion and mistakes. Let me address the confusion that happens online and how to avoid mistakes. The biggest source of confusion is people quoting kit prices as if that is what it costs to build a complete home. When someone says you can build a barndominium for $40,000, they are talking about just the kit materials with nothing else included. That is not a complete home price. Always ask what is included. If someone gives you a price, ask specifically if it includes foundation, shell, assembly, interior finishes, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, kitchen, bathrooms, and flooring. Get it itemized in writing. Second confusion is square footage. Make sure you and the builder are talking about the same square footage. Are they quoting heated living space only? Or are they including garage and workshop areas? A 3,000 square foot quote might be 2,000 square feet of living space, plus a 1,000 square foot shop. Clarify this up front. Third confusion is comparing plans and buildings. When you look at floor plans online, those plans are just a layout design. The exterior photos you see might be from a different project or a rendering. Always confirm with the builder that the plan you like matches the exterior style you want. This is the mistake I made in my previous video. Fourth confusion is per square foot pricing. This is an estimate tool, not a final price. Actual costs depend on your specific choices. Two people building the exact same 2,000 square foot plan can have very different final costs based on countertop choices, flooring selections, fixture quality, and how much they DIY. To avoid confusion and mistakes, get detailed written quotes from at least 3 builders. Make sure the quotes are for identical specifications so you can compare. Ask for a breakdown showing every major cost category. Request references and photos of completed projects, and verify the builder is properly licensed and insured in your state. Take your time in the planning phase. Rushing leads to mistakes. Good builders will walk you through every decision and keep you informed of costs as you make choices. Let me summarize the honest numbers. Floor plans cost $1,300 to $2,000 for stock designs, or $2,000 to $6,000 for custom. Barndominium kits for the shell only cost $20 to $35 per square foot for materials. Complete turnkey barndominiums cost $65 to $160 per square foot for basic to mid-range builds, with luxury builds reaching $300 to $400 per square foot. For a typical 2,000 square foot family barndominium with decent finishes, budget $160,000 to $240,000 for complete turnkey construction. This is still significantly cheaper than the $300,000 to $800,000 you would pay for a comparable traditional stick-built home. The builders I mentioned today are all established companies with verified track records. Worldwide Steel Buildings and General Steel for kits. Hog Barndominiums for full-service turnkey. BuildMax for plans, kits, and builder connections. Advanced House Plans and barnominiumfloorplans.com for quality floor plans. Always verify current pricing directly with these companies, as costs can change based on steel prices, labor rates, and regional factors. Get everything in writing and do not pay large deposits until you have verified the company is legitimate. The key to a successful barnominium build is education, careful planning, and working with experienced builders who communicate clearly. Do not rush. Take time to understand costs, get multiple quotes, and make informed decisions. I hope this clears up the confusion and gives you accurate information you can use for planning your build. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more honest barnominium content. Drop a comment and let me know if you have specific questions about builders or pricing in your area. I will do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.